Welcome to Maths for You channel. The topic, binomial expansion. Past A-level questions. Let's look at question number 1. Question number 1, part A. Find the first three terms in ascending powers of x of the binomial expansion of 2 plus x over 2 to the power of 6. 2 plus x divided by 2 to the power of 6. Prior to looking at those three terms, let's look at binomial expansion identities. A plus b to the power of n equal nc0, a to the power n, b to the power 0. The next term or second term, nc1, a to the power n minus 1, b1. And the third term, nc2, a to the power n minus 2, b squared, and so on. So let's look at the question. The first term can be written as 6c0, 2 to the power of 6, x divided by 2 to the power of 0. That's the first term. Second term, 6c1, 2 to the power of 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. X divided by 2 to the power of 1. And the third term, 6c2, 2 to the power of 5. X divided by 2 to the power of 2. So these are the first three terms. Let's simplify them one by one. Prior to simplify them, let's look at further identities. nc0 equal 1. And the algebraic identity, a to the power of 0 equal 1, 2. So first term, 6c0 is 1. So 1 times 2 to the power 6 times x over 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, 2 to the power 6 is 64. The second term, 6c1. 6c1 can be written as 6 factorial divided by the 1 factorial, 5 factorial times 2 to the power 5 times x divided by 2. Simplify. The 6 factorial can be written as 6 times 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial is 1, 5 factorial times 2 to the power 5 times x divided by 2. And it's equal, the 5 factorial cancel out. The answer will be 6 times 2 to the power 5 times x divided by 2. So if you simplify it, x to the power 5 divided by 2, that will be x to the power 4, 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 will be 2 to the power 4, that is 16. 16 times 6 is 96. 96, x is second term. Third term, 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial and 4 factorial. 2 to the power of 4 times x squared divided by 4. Again simplified, 6 times 4 times 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial is 2, 4 factorial times 2 to the power 4 times x squared divided by 4. 4 factorial cancel out. The denominator 30 times 2 to the power 4, and the denominator 2 times 4, 2 to the power 4, already written. Let's get that is equal 2 times 4 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 16 divided by 8 is 2, 2 times 30 is 60, 60 x squared. So first three terms found, we have to write them in an ascending order. So the first term is 64, second term 96x, third term 60x squared. That is part A done. Let's look at part B. Part B, use your expansion to find an estimate for the value of 2.05 to the power 6. This can be written in the form of the part 1, part 1, 2 plus 0.1 divided by 2 to the power 6. So if you compare part 1 to this one, the x equal 0.1. Now, they ask you to estimate the value of 2.05 to the power 6, not the exact value. Therefore, the first three terms from the first part of part A will be enough to calculate the estimate value of 2.05 to the power 6. So the estimated value 2.05 to the power 6 equal 64 plus 96 times 0.1, x is 0.1, plus 60 times 0.1 to the power of 2. That will be 64 plus 96 times 0.1 is 9.6, plus 0.1 squared is 0.01 times 60, that will be 0.6. So if you add them all three, the answer will be 74.2. So the estimate value of 2.05 to the power 6 is 74.2.